Today we are going to perform the verification of Thevenin theorem using Matlab. So we are going to Matlab screen. Okay, so we have come to Matlab screen. Now we need to draw a model in Matlab. So we have to click on this Simulink tab, or you can say button, and we need to search the different element which will be required for our circuit connection. Okay, so first element we need is power GUI. So this will supply the power to the circuit. Okay, so here we need DC voltage source, so we have to select this discretized electrical model. Okay, so this is the DC. This will supply the DC voltage source. Next we need the voltage source, DC voltage source. So drag it. So we need two DC voltage source. So you just copy it by pressing Control. Okay. Next we need series resistance branch. Better better you search series RLC branch. So we have got the series RLC branch and we need three numbers. So control this. So we need three. So make it resistance. So R we need 1000 ohm. So we have written it to be 1000 volt. Name it R1. Next, this one also R of 1000 ohm. Name it RL. This to be R, also R, and 1000. Name it R2. So we have got three resistance of 1000 ohm each. Okay. Next element we need is current measurement. So search it, current measurement. Also we need voltage measurement also. So drag it. Next we need display. So search it. Next we need impedance measurement. So we have got all the element that is required for Simulink model, and we will connect the same circuit arrangement as that we have done during hardware recording. Okay, so upon connecting we will get this type of the circuit. Okay, so we have made V1 to be 6 volt and V2 to be minus 10 volt and R1 to be 1000, R2 to be 1000 and IL also 1000. So this is current measurement. So this is displayed. So this will display the value of the current that is flowing through this RL register. Okay, so from we have to select this discretized electrical model for DC supply. Okay, so this is circuit arrangement for calculation of IL, and this is the circuit connection for measurement of Thevenin voltage VTH. So for Thevenin voltage we need to open the load resistance. So we have opened the load resistance in this circuit, and all the circuit arrangement are same. Here also the voltage is 6 volt and V2 to be minus 10 volt. Okay, and this is a circuit arrangement for calculation of RTH. Okay, so upon run, so upon running we have got the value of IL to be 1.33 milliampere and the value of VTH minus 2. So so this minus 2 volt what we have got in our hardware recording is minus 1.99 volt. So it is approximately equal to minus 2 volt, and we have got what we have got during hardware measurement. So the value of the IL came to be minus 1.35 milliampere, but from the practical calculation or from the Matlab it is coming 1.33 milliampere minus 1.33 milliampere. So from theoretical calculation we have got the value of RTS to be 500 ohm. So in order to have the impedance measurement we need to click this, we need to go here impedance versus frequency measurement. So upon clicking we have got the value of RTS to be 500 ohm. So this was all about the verification of Thevenin theorem via Simulink or Matlab.